Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Today, we're going to be practicing the defensive side of baseball, which is catching. So like we said the last episode, there's different kind of hitters. People who hit base hits, pop-ups, ground balls, and even hit it far. There's a defensive side to the game, and players who have to be able to run really fast to catch it. And there's also many different ways to field the ball and use your techniques to get the batter out. So, let's show you some. So here we are with Jack, and right now he's going to be showing y'all how to catch different type of fly balls, pop-ups, and ground balls. Okay.
Yep, let's go. All right, we're gonna start out with ground balls. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it, and then after I'll explain what I did, and yeah, here we go. All right, so how you're gonna wanna field a ground ball is, you're gonna see it coming to you. You're gonna wanna get in front of it, get down low, and you're gonna wanna crocodile. Crocodile is when you close your glove with your hand. So you make sure you got it, bring it up, and throw it to the first baseman. And yeah, and next we're gonna be doing some fly balls. So here we go. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do on a fly ball is, let's say it's in front of you, just right in front of you. You're gonna wanna get right under it, camp under it, get ready, catch it, make a good throw in. If you say it's a little, maybe further, you're gonna wanna go like this. You're gonna turn your hips to whatever angle. So if it's going this way to you, you're gonna wanna go like this and run and watch the ball. And once it starts coming down to you, you're gonna wanna catch it, and vice versa, the other side, you're gonna wanna go like this. Wait till it's coming to you and then catch it. You never wanna have your glove up, it takes speed away from you. And yeah, that's how you do it.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully, you learned the different ways to play defense, on how to catch a fly ball, a pop-up, on how to field a ground ball. And yo, it's hard to believe that this is the last sport of the school year. But next episode, we're gonna be filming pitching. So, stay tuned.